So in this video, we're gonna start with the formation of the letters. So in lesson number 4, we have covered from A to L, and in this video, we are going to continue with the formation of letters after L. So it will be M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T till Z. So let's go and find out how we are going to make M, N, and so on. So let's get started with the letter M. So first of all, I'm going to write M so that you can understand the anatomy of M. So you can understand what are the strokes that have been uh, joined to form the letter M. So it's downward stroke and then underturn. Sorry, it's a overturn and then a compound curve. So let's see how are you going to join them. So first of all, I'll write the downstroke and then join the underturn. Now you have to join the compound curve, but this is not how you have to join. So let's see the example again. Downward stroke, overturn, and then this compound curve. So this is how you are going to make M, not the previous one. So that is wrong and this is right. Let's again make M. So I'm using three different colors here. So first of all, I'll write downstroke and then the overturn. After that, I'll write the compound curve. All right. So let's see the formation again. And then we are going to join all of them together, overturn, and then the compound curve. Easy. So this is the whole thing that I wanted to explain. So let's move forward to the next letter, and that is N. So before that, I would like to just make you practice M for as many number of times as you can to have a good command on your brush pen and also to have that muscle memory of your brain. Okay, so let's move ahead. Let's move forward and form letter N. So N looks something like that. So let's see how, let's break it. So it's a downstroke and a compound curve. Again, joining both the letters, both the curves, or both the strokes. And simple. So practice as many times as you can to have that perfection and have that command on your brush pen. So it's very, very easy for you. So this is O. So O is nothing but an oval and then adding one comma to that. So it's oval and then add a comma. Oval and then add a comma. And practice it till you get that perfect O. Now let's make P. So P looks something like that. Also, we write P in a different way as well, like this. So anyone you can choose, both are, I mean, both are correct. So let's make P. Sorry, cannot see that properly. Now let's make it again. We have made a downstroke and then we made an oval. So this is equals to, and that is cross, okay, and this is not oval, this is backward oval. So downward stroke, backward oval, and then the cross curve, or you can make it in a very simple way, just downstroke and backward oval. Yes, downstroke, backward oval. That is also fine. So it just depends on how you want to make it more creative and, stylish. That's it. Practice, practice, and practice. Jump to Q. Q is nothing but an oval and a backward descender. So let's join it and see how it looks. Backward oval and then, sorry, oval and then backward descender. Let's see R. So looks something like that. Let's break it. Upward stroke, comma, and then underturn. Join it together and look how R is made. It's nothing, just an upward stroke, comma, and then underturn. Upward stroke, comma, underturn. So next is S. S, I have already told you, this is a curve and you have to make S just like that. But when you're going downwards, you have to make the curve thicker, and then when you go upwards, you have to make that curve thinner. So that is all about it. Let's see T. So T is a downstroke and a cross. Downstroke, cross. Downstroke, cross. So let's try U. So it is not actually U, it's V. But for V, you have to just make an underturn, but the shape of the letter like from the bottom, it should be, the angle should not be much, it should be like less. So the angle between both the curves, the downstroke and the curve that's going upwards, upstroke. So it's this, how you make V is like, you have to make it little conical from the bottom and then adding a comma curve. So that is V. Now let's practice W, and for W you have to make two underturns and a comma. So you have to join both the underturns and then add a comma as well at the ending. So it's underturn, underturn, and a comma, like that. Underturn, underturn, comma. That is it. Then we have X, and for X we have to make a backward C and a C curve. So joining both of them like this. So we have X. You can also add a more curve to make it look more creative and stylish. So this is X. Now let's move to Y, and for Y you have to add an underturn and a descender. Underturn and a descender. So this is how Y looks. Now Z. Z is nothing but just like this. So it has something to do with the two C curves like this, and then add one more end curve to that. And this is how Z you can make Z. So that is all about this video, and thank you for joining me here. I hope this was informative and helpful to you. So if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and like this video as well. Share with your friends, and we'll meet you in the next video, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.